So I'm going to be going over how to use single take on the Galaxy S21. Now, this was a feature release on the S20. I never used it before, but it's a camera setting. And basically what it does is, you use it and then it not only takes a picture, but it also, gives you some GIFs, some videos. It's really cool. So I'm just going to show you how it works. But basically when you have your camera open, you just slide to the left, and then you're just want to, do this single take option. Now you're going to press the button right there, and then it's going to do like this little recording a little bit, I guess you could say, but it goes for like 10 seconds. And then when it's done, you're going to have like all of these different images and videos, short videos. It's really cool. So I'm going to show you that one. I'm also going to show you another one I took, of my cat. But let's throw this up. All right, so here is what we just took, and then if we kind of just go back, you're going to see that it just gave us all these different options. So you've got like some different, pictures here. It looks like they almost have like a grayscale one in there, but it just like gives you all these different options. It's pretty cool. I mean, it is actually very cool. I'm not gonna lie. Like I said, I never used this before until just recently, but I also want to show you one here that I, took of my cat. So let me pull that up for you guys. All right, so here it is. All right, so it just gives you all these different options. So I mean, like, I guess if you're, maybe somebody who likes to upload, things to Instagram, maybe some like short TikTok videos, it just gives you all these different options. It's just really cool. And if you've never used it before, I do recommend, checking it out. It is on, like I said, the S21. So if you're using this phone right now, I would definitely, check it out. All right, I'm gonna wrap things up playing some Into the Dead 2 gameplay. Got to kill some zombies for you guys, so let's get into it.